Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by installing and opening the Facebook app on the other phone. This gets you to the login screen immediately. Enter the email or phone number tied to your account so Facebook can identify you, and type your password carefully to avoid lockouts. Once done, make sure the device has internet access and sufficient battery, because a dropped connection or low power can interrupt verification. This step moves you from preparation straight into the secure sign-in flow. You'll often hit verification prompts next. These prove it's really you. If 2FA is set up, choose the method you can access now: SMS, Authenticator app, or a saved recovery code, and enter the code promptly because codes expire. Make sure to select Remember Device only when this new phone is yours to reduce future friction. Also take time to review any notices about recent login activity. Confirming familiar locations prevents Facebook from locking the account later. Once logged in, you should verify account settings and notification preferences so future alerts reach you. If Facebook blocks access, use Forgot Password and follow the reset link sent to your email or SMS. Alternatively, ask trusted contacts to help if configured. If the app misbehaves, clear its cache, reinstall, or try logging in via a web browser to isolate the issue. One key tip: always keep recovery info up to date to avoid lengthy lockouts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.